In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. First of all, you need to open Messages app and select or create a chat. Wherever you decided, when you're ready to create a voice memo and send it right away, use this icon at the bottom right corner. Then start recording thanks to microphone button. Click on the same one to end your message and hit attach to send it, or choose restart at any point if you wish to redo it. You can also end it by tapping on attach right away. If you want to add already existing audio file, use this plus on the left. Select Files and find your audio one in one of those apps by hitting Audio at the top or by tapping on those three lines at the top left corner to access all of those sources. Wherever you decided, just tap on your file and wait. Now, when it comes to videos, to record one and add it within Messages, use this icon of a photo and operate camera portion at the top. When you stop recording, your video will be automatically attached to your message. So all you need to do is send it. To add already existing video, use the same icon. Tap on it here, or if you can't find it, hold this line and drag it up. This way you can look for your video, tap on it, and then select Done at the bottom right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!